Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how does the dashboard settings functionality works in the dashboard in AIV. So let's get started. Now, for seeing how does the dashboard settings functionality works, we will click on the dashboard settings option on the top right corner of the dashboard. And here you'll see that we have multiple features available in the dashboard settings option. Now, before I give you a brief explanation about these features, I would like to tell you that if you have multiple tabs in the same dashboard, you can control the changing of the properties of those tabs by using this dashboard settings feature. So here the first feature we have is the refresh dashboard. So here you can select the time in the drop down as per your own convenience to refresh the dashboard after that time which you have selected over here. Then we have the option of hide layers and tabs. So you can also hide the layers and tabs as per your own convenience, or you can also disable the option that is hide layers and tabs. Then we have the tab settings option. Now here if you want to make changes to the tab settings, you can update the changes in these options here. Then you have tab level security. Now in tab level security, you can share the tab with available users. You can share the tab with any user you wish to, and the tab will be visible to only that user whom you have selected here. Then we have tab content background. Now tab content background, if you want to make changes to the tab canvas background color, so here you can put a color code and make changes to the color of the tab canvas background. Then we have the dashboard background grid. Now if you want to make changes to the dashboard background grid, for that you have this option, so you can make the changes to the background grid of the dashboard as well. Then you have the layer settings. So if you want to make changes to the layer settings, for that you can update the properties in these options here. Then you have layer level security. Now same like tab level security, if you want to share this layer level security, if you want to share the layer with a particular user, the layer will be accessible only to the user with whom you have shared it. Then we have the hide preview options. Now if you wish to hide any of these options available here on the top right corner of the dashboard, for that you can use this option, use this property, which is hide email option, hide print option, hide clear filter option, hide cropping option. So if you want to hide any of these options, you can use this property. Then we have confirm clear filter. Now if in case you have created a filter and you want to clear that filter, before clearing that filter you will have to enable this option, which is confirm clear filter. Then we have dashboard global theme. Now dashboard global theme is again another feature which you can see in detail in my another video about this dashboard global theme in our YouTube channel. And the last feature we have in this is the share restrict message. Now again, for viewing all these features, you can refer to the videos in our YouTube channel where I have explained all these features individually in detail. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, please mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.